Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the minimum level learning syllabus for class 10 science, and this syllabus is only for those students who are in stress, fear or pressure of science subject to score good marks. And let us start with the first topic. The student has to complete the first three chapters because second chapter in second chapter the difficult part has been already removed, that is metallurgy part, extraction part, and in the third chapter the nomenclature part जो second half जो chapter है that has been removed. So these three chapters are very easy to score. So this is my sequence and my advice to complete to follow this sequence. And the total unit marks weightage is 26 marks. Out of those, approximately the marks cover is 15. Okay, this is around 15 marks. And what you have to complete in these uh, chapters, let us have, first you have to complete textbook examples, exercise questions as per revised syllabus. Why as per revised syllabus? Because chapter जो sequence number 2 जो मैं metals and non metals है उसमें last के जो portion जो delete हुए हैं, that you have to delete, that you have to not study. And carbon and its compound में भी जो half chapter, second half chapter जो delete हुआ है उसको भी छोड़ना है. And the next, I have published one minimum level study material for science subject. You can complete that also, and which is available in my website. Okay, and the last one is CBSE previous 10 years questions. Uh, this this is a doubt for many students when I uploaded for maths standard and basics. Ki where from where we get this 10 years questions. You can get it from any website or you can purchase any book also, like Question Bank of some publishers. They are giving 10 years all board questions in their book Question Bank. Okay, so after these three chapters, you have to start with these two chapters. Fourth sequence, this is serial number not chapter number, and the next is heredity. इस chapter में सारे direct questions आते हैं, so this is also very scoring chapter, and diagram based questions also will come from this life process chapter. And this chapter, heredity and evolution, the half part, that is evolution part, has been removed. And this unit is of actually 23 marks, and we have three chapters, and the third chapter I kept in the separate category. And together these two chapters is approximately I took 15 marks. Okay, and what you have to study in these chapters: first, textbook examples and exercise questions, including in-text questions also. And the next one, that I just now I told you that the minimum level study material for science subject I have uploaded in my website. You can go through that also, and I will give the link in the description also. And the last 10 years CBSE questions. Now let us move towards the sixth one. The natural resources unit is very, now this is very small chapter, and it is of 5 marks, and this is a very small chapter, and the natural resources unit se hai ye, and 5 marks weightage is there. And you have to complete all the examples, exercise questions, in-text questions. Along with that, you have to complete my minimum level material, learning level material, and CBSE last 10 years questions. Now we'll move toward the seventh one, the human eye and the colorful world. This is a chapter, and the first half, the part has been removed. That is the human eye part has been removed. Only the second half part is there, and the unit consists of two chapters. One is this chapter, and the second one is light chapter. Light chapter को मैं separate section में रखा हूँ, and I took approximately 5 marks from this chapter. Together is 14 marks, and here also you have to complete all examples and exercise in text questions as per revised syllabus. Okay, and minimum level study material which I have uploaded, all the important questions are there that you have to complete, and the CBSE previous 10 years questions. Now the next chapter, 8th chapter. Now this chapter is very small. This chapter is very small. The generator part and the last, that electric circuit part has been removed. and approximately 5 marks I took, minimum 5 marks. And here also you have to complete examples, exercise questions, all in-text questions as per revised syllabus, and questions given in my study material, and the last 10 years CBSE questions. Now this is the structure of the syllabus which I have given just now. This total, these are all minimum marks, means for example the first unit is of 26 marks, जिसमें से ये 3 चैप्टर का मैंने estimate किया minimum 15 marks. So 16 भी हो सकता है, 17 भी हो सकता है. So if we add all these marks, you can score easily 45 marks. Okay, and the question paper is of 80 marks, और 80 पूरा जो साइंस सब्जेक्ट है वो 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड है. एक थ्योरी दैट इज 80 मार्क्स एंड द इंटरनल मार्क्स 20 मार्क्स. सो इंटरनल मार्क्स में इफ यू स्कोर मिनिमम 15 मार्क्स, इफ यू स्कोर मिनिमम 15 मार्क्स, एंड एक्सटर्नल में आपको स्कोर करना है केवल 18 मार्क्स. सो together 33 marks. Okay, but if you follow this way, you can score more than 45 marks. So 45 plus 15, 60 marks, that is my minimum target. So you can score easily minimum 60 marks out of 100 if you follow this one. Now after that also you have to follow some other instructions which is given just after this slide, the remaining chapters target. Now see, 8 chapters target I have given here. The remaining chapters target: electricity, light chapter, how do organisms reproduce, acid, bases and salts, periodic classification of elements. So ये 5 chapters, total 30 chapters हैं, और 3 chapter delete हो गया है for assessment for a board exam. And this 5 chapters you have to concentrate on my minimum level material, all important questions and objective questions, whatever the questions is given. And if you follow this, I'm sure that you will score more than 60 out of 80. Okay, and I wish all the best for your future. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.